Working in a wood shop, things get messy, dirty, and really, really dusty. But I got something pretty awesome to show y'all. This is the Very Blast Precision Safety Air Gun from Exair. So this is what we got. 3 different models, each with unique extensions and nozzles, designed for ergonomic use and safety. They're OSHA compliant and perfect for any compressed air needs. Exair specializes in compressed air products, and they've been in business since 1983. And with all that experience, I can see why these are some of the best air guns on the market. Let me show you. So what's cool about these is you can actually throttle the amount of air you use, just like a motorcycle throttle. The more squeeze, the more power. But I mean, you don't always need max power. Sometimes you want to keep the tools on your table and just get rid of the dust. But this has got to be my favorite accessory, the chip shield, because if you've ever had any dust or debris blow back on you and get in your eyes, it's got to be one of the most painful things. So this is such a simple but genius idea. Best part, all the parts are replaceable on all these air guns, so no need to buy a whole new one, just replace what you need. These air guns are efficient and safe, and you'll even notice your air compressor kicking in a lot less often. So you can find all these air guns along with many other Exair products at pentoolco.com.